Assalamualaikum. This is Abdul Rauf, Assistant Director of Disaster Relief from ICNA Relief USA. Unfortunately, I could not be there at the convention with all of you this year because ICNA Relief Disaster Response Team has officially deployed to Moore, Oklahoma, which suffered a massive tornado. The people of Moore are in desperate need of our help and support at this difficult time. As a Muslim, this is our duty to support our fellow human beings, Muslims and non-Muslim alike. We are here on the ground in the middle of what is left of Moore, Oklahoma. To all brothers and sisters, those who are able, we urge all of you to volunteer your time and effort in Oklahoma. Help us help those who truly need your support. As a Muslim, this is our duty. Thank you for your support. We could not be here in Moore, Oklahoma, helping the survivor of this disaster without your help. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.